Nisa 4 and 142 and 143. Innal munafiqina yukhadi'una Allah wa huwa khadi'um wa idha qamu ila salati qamu kusala yura'una an-nas wa la yadhkuruna Allah illa qalila mudhabdhabina bayna dhalik la ilaha ulai wa la ilaha ulai wa man yudlilillahu falan tajida lahu sabila. Surely the hypocrites think that they are deceiving Allah, and He deceives them. And when they stand toward the salah prayer, they stand without earnestness, and they are showing to the people, and they do not remember Allah except a little. They are distracted in mind in the midst of it, being neither of one group or nor for the another, and to whom Allah leads astray, then you will never find a way for him. Now this is describing the behavior of the hypocrites. The hypocrites are people who say that we believe and they don't practice basically. So he says, surely the hypocrites are deceiving God Almighty. Allah is not being deceived. You are deceiving your own self. When they stand to pray, they stand without earnestness, because without knowing, understanding, they are just doing it because for the showing it to the people. Doing towards themselves, they stand without earnestness, they are showing it to the people that they are namazi, they musalla, they got on their heads this identification. So Allah is saying they stand to pray towards the salah, stand without earnestness, they are showing it to the people. They do not remember Allah except a little. Why Allah is telling, now you reading, this is revelation, this is essence, this is the spirit, and you still go back and remain like that. What this is what I am explaining. This is the salah. If I am reciting this ayat and if I am falling into that ayat, I must correct. Then the salah will affect me. Otherwise I am reading this, I understand it, I understand, but I remain like that. So this salah remains. So for mudhabdhabina bayna dhalik, they are distracted in the midst of it, because once you are standing, you don't understand anything, you don't comprehend ayahs, you don't mean what you are reciting, you are distracted. All the time thoughts are coming in your mind and you are distracted in the midst of it, being neither of one group or the other, and to whom Allah leaves astray, then you will never find a way for Him. So I am telling you, people are like this. So I don't have to identify, you have to find out your own self. You have to look into your own self. Allah describes Surah Al-Ma'un 107, 4, 5, 6. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ. So woe to those musallin, those who pray. They are those who are inattentive about their salah prayer. They are those who are showing to people. And further, Al-Mudassir 74, 42, 40, 43. مَا سَلَكُمْ فِي سَقَرْ قَالُوا وَلَمْ نَكُمْ مِنَ الْمُصَلِّينَ. What deported you in Saqar, that is hell? They will say, we were not from the musallin, those who pray. فَلَا صَدَّقَ وَلَا صَلَّى. So he did not verify it and he did not salah pray. Now this is a people, again the same people who are not attentive, inattentive in the prayer. He says, so woe to the musallin, those who pray, they are praying. There are those who are inattentive. Listen to me very carefully. If you understand the essence, if you understand the essence also, but if you don't affect, it doesn't affect you, you are inattentive. What is attentiveness? Attentiveness is that I have listened, of course I have listened, I have understood. But if I remain like the behavior doesn't change, so I am inattentive basically. I am not inattentive. So Allah said, woe to those musallin, those who pray, those who are inattentive about their salah prayer. They are those who are showing to people. So that people should recognize them as the person who pray. That is showing to people. And Allah said, what deported you in Saqar? What deported you into hell? They will say, we were not from musallin, those who pray. So because their prayer is like nothing. So he did not verify, he did not salah pray.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.